Hello guys, today I am going to show you how can you make Android notification apps in your Android Studio. So without any further delay, let's get started. Before that, I wanna say if you have not subscribed my channel, then do subscribe and also press the bell icon so that my new videos notification will come to you automatically. Okay, let's click on the start a new Android and after that you can see this application name. Okay, I will set this name. I set this application name notification demo. Click this next option, again next, again next, and again next. It will take some time for this process. Okay, after processing you can see this kind of work option in Android Studio. I am going to activity.main.xml. In here you can see this preview here. I am changing this constant layout to linear layout. Okay, remove this and create a button in here. Okay, you need to be patient for work in Android Studio. I set this both wrap content and now you can see this button in here. Okay, let's set a gravity gravity center. Okay, you can see this now. This button is in center. Text, notification, text size by SP. This is design and you can make your design as like you want. One click. You can use this on click of method and also you can use another technique, that is ID, one click listener. Okay, now go to this main activity. In here, copy this show notification. Now create a method, public void show notification. So this is a view, that's why I am calling this view class, view v second bracket, and in here I can do my notification coding. So let's get started. At first you need to declare notification compact. This is notification compact equal new. In here you need to declare builder option, new notification compact dot builder this. Okay, now we will work by this notification compact option. Notification, you have to patient by work this Android programming because it will take a lot of time. Not context text. Okay, at first I need to declare context title, notification compact dot title. Okay, Facebook, you have a new friend request. Okay, now a small icon which is appear in your Android phone. I need to declare an icon in this drawable file. Right click on this drawable file, new, in image assist. Here you can see this notification icon. Click this notification icon, click this Android icon, and you can see a bar in here. You can select this notification option and this SMS option. Okay, I sense this name notification. Okay, finish. Now I can set this small icon like this. Set small icon under drawable dot notification. Okay, now I can declare another important thing, voice is priority. You can work without priority, but in the real app you must declare this priority. So set priority notification compact dot priority default. Now declare notification compact manager compact and give here this object, and now notification manager compact dot from this. In here you can declare this notification compact manager compact dot notify. In here you can see this need to two parameter, integer ID and notification ID. I can give this 01, and after this notification, like in this option notification compact, you can declare this option in here, notification compact dot view. Okay, now we almost complete our code. Just 7-line coding for this notification option. Now I can run this in my emulator. Okay, click this run option. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, you can see our app successfully run in our emulator. Now click this notification button. Okay, I click this notification button, and you can see here a small icon, this small icon, and drag it this. Okay, you can see this notification demo. Now Facebook, you have a new friend request. Now in here you can see this now option, set when. If it is set in default by default, if it is not in here, you can use a set when option like this, notification compact dot set when system dot current time means. Okay, now I am showing you the another important way for your work. Okay, let's remove this all this option. Okay, remove also this semicolon option. Now also remove this semicolon option. You can use here the semicolon option at last option. Now we can run our project. It will run successfully. Okay, our app successfully run again, and click this notification option, drag this in down. You can see this same outcome for this editing also. So you can this clear all option. That's all for today. See you in the next video tutorial.